Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK class. Kids, have you ever read any sort of quotation given by a person? Have you ever read what Mahatma Gandhi has said? Kids, what is a quotation? Quotation is a repetition of sentence, phrase, or passage from speech or text that someone has said or written. बच्चे, quotation क्या होती है? These are some catchy lines which are apt that you will want to repeat them or write them down to remember them. Quotations are often used as a literary device to represent someone's point of view. They are able or fit to be repeated or quoted. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this topic, the students will be able to identify the famous quotes of great men. They'll be able to explain how the meaning of quotes of great men helped in real life situations. Today we are going to talk about the famous quotes of great men which leave an everlasting impression on our mind. Here are some unforgettable words. Kids, we are going to talk about page number 6 of your book. Let's start with few great men quotations. The first one: genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. This quotation is given by Thomas Alva Edison sometime around 1902. He was a businessman. This quotation means great accomplishments depend not much on ingenuity as on hard work. This is a saying of American inventor. The second one: the child is the father of man. In this, William Wordsworth used the expression the child is the father of a man in his famous 1802 poem My Heart Leaps Up, also known as Rainbow. He uses the expression in a very positive sense. Nothing that sees a rainbow produced awe and joy when he was a child. He still felt those emotions as a grown up man. The third one: some books are to be tasted, others to be swallowed, and a few to be chewed and digested. In this, Francis Bacon wants to say that some books are to be read only in parts. कुछ किताबों को हमें सिर्फ पार्ट्स में पढ़ना चाहिए. Others to be read but not curiously. बाकियों को, कुछ किताबों को हमें curiously नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. And some few to be read wholly and with diligence and attention. कुछ किताबों को हमें बहुत अच्छी तरह से पढ़ना चाहिए. उनकी हर कही हुई सीख को अपनी जिंदगी में लाना चाहिए. Fourth one: a thing of a beauty is a joy forever. It has been said by John Keats. The phrase a thing of a beauty is a joy forever means a beautiful object, natural or artificial, makes a person happy for a long time. Even if its beauty fades or put into different circumstances, it is always a source of enjoyment, happiness, and pleasure for a person or a group of people. The fifth one: Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. In this, Benjamin Franklin wants to say, he wants to emphasize that someone who gets enough sleep and starts work early in the day will have a successful life. 6.1 Whatever you are, be a good one. This quotation was given by the 16th President of United States, Abraham Lincoln. He just want to say in these lines that whatever you do, मतलब आप जो भी काम करें, जैसा भी काम करें, उसको अपना बेस्ट दें. Do everything with responsibility. 7th one, be the change you want to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi famously said, you must be the change you want to see in the world. In other words, although life changes are inevitable, we can also initiate personal changes so we can rise to the challenge and become a bigger and a better person as a result. 8th one, it's our choices that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. This is the quote given by J.K. Rowling. According to him, choices alone with the conscience is what makes the human being unique among all social animals. 9th one, it's fine to celebrate success, but it's more important to heed the lessons of failure, said by Bill Gates. According to him, success can mean happiness, peace, and perfection, but no one can achieve it without going through failures. 10th one, we did not come here to fear the future, we came to shape it. These are the words said by the 44th President of United States, Barack Obama. According to him, we can shape our future by our own acts. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all learnt a lot. In the end, I just want to give you a task. I want you to tell me the name of the person who wrote these lines. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. I'm repeating, I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. Thank you and have a cheerful day.